Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 6, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So for this I'll open up settings as an example. You can open up any kind of application or none. You can do it on the home screen as well. But anyway, once you see the content that you want to capture, which for me, like I mentioned, is the settings, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this little pop-up right here. Additionally, I am muted, but normally you also hear a sound of a screenshot being captured. So anyway, once you capture a screenshot, it will be found in your photo gallery, but I want to also focus on another option. So when you hold it, you have the option right here to scroll. Once you click on this, it will start scrolling. You can tap on the screen to stop it from doing so. And overall, this function feature will allow you to capture just a long version of a screenshot. So starting from basically where you can see the top of the screen being to however far down you can scroll or however far down you want to scroll. So as you can see, I could go down in the settings all the way to the bottom, but there we go. I can scroll up to, for instance, right here, app management, select done, click on the check mark, and now it will be from the top to the app management. So anyway, let me open up my Photos application, and in here we can either find our photos right here, or under library it will create a new folder called screenshots, or at least it should, but it looks like it's under camera for some reason. So anyway, and here we have just a normal screenshot, and then right here is the long one. As you can see, it stops right here on the app management. So anyway, that is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.